face looks really raw and I need to stop giving my openings with this sort of face. But anyways, today I'm going to share with you quick simple makeup for all the working women. I'm going to share really simple steps with you guys. It's the look is very simple, very easy to attain, requires minimal product. Guys, I've already prepped my face. I have used a really nice toner and I've applied some moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you have. I've also applied some lip balm for my lips to get a little hydrated by the time you finish the makeup. So guys, in case you have really strong acne on your face, I suggest that you go for the primer, alright? But in case you do not have any acne and your skin is feeling little clear, I would suggest you go with the stroke cream. Now the stroke cream I'm using is by PAC shade Gold. Now I have frankly not liked this, but I'm using it because I have purchased it. Taking a PAC brush, dome brush, I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Now this is to get that really nice dewy finish on the face. Make sure you have really blended in the product, else it looks patchy and you don't want that to happen. Now I'm gonna go with a sunscreen. You can use any illuminator sunscreen that you have. Now this is not a sunscreen, actually this has got a small tint in it. Tint is basically a combination of a foundation with a moisturizer or a foundation with a sunscreen, and I've taken a small bit of the tint and I'm gonna just apply this all over my face with the same brush. In case you feel you need to reapply, go and reapply some more tint. Next up, I'm gonna go with some concealer. This is the LA Girl concealer. Now, concealer is again optional. If you do not have dark circles, you can avoid it. Else, you can take any concealer that you have, and we're gonna apply a very tiny bit of it, so it's not gonna take too long for you guys to blend it in and sort of play with it. And I'm just gonna make sure that I've blended this really well. You can also take this brush the same brush without adding any product, just roll it across the entire face, like whatever is left. A little at the center of my forehead. Set my entire face, I'm gonna go with a pressed powder. Now I'm using the pressed powder by Wet n Wild. You can use any pressed powder that you have. I'm holding the brush right at the bottom, that means it's gonna give a very less pressure, and that's exactly the amount of product that we need on our face. I'm just slightly dipping it in my pressed powder. I'm gonna take some bronzer. Now bronzer is optional. If you like your face really soft, chiseled and warm, you can use a bronzer, else you can skip this. But I love my face really bronzed, and that's exactly why I'm using my bronzer. The same bronzer, I'm just gonna contour my nose a little bit. Now this is optional. If you guys have time in hand, do it. If not, you can just leave it. But I would just want to add some stiffness, some pinch right at the start of my nose, and that's exactly where I'm using the bronzer. Next, I'm taking this Color Icon by Wet n Wild. This is a shimmer blush, and using the same brush, I'm gonna take a slight bit of this and I apply this right at the highest points of my cheek. I'm also going to go with some blush, very tiny bit of this. I'm not going to apply any falsies. I'm just going to go with a really nice volumizing mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline mascara, the Maybelline Sensational. This is a really nice mascara, you guys. For my lips, I'm gonna go with something really a little bold because I want my lips to stand out because the face looks really dewy. I'm gonna go with a maroon shade, a wine shade. So guys, this is the final look. This is my super simple, easy, quick office makeup look. You can add any lipstick that you want, but I wanted to go with this lip today. I think it's super crazy, looks very chic, makes your face look really fresh, and I think this is exactly what I need this season. So let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. That all is The Makeup by Cynthia. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.